Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play The Lion Sleeps Tonight by the Tokens. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, B flat major, and C major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. And the last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 4 beats, B flat major for 4 beats, F major again for 4 beats, and C major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go through the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. And now let's apply the chord progression with that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with lyrics and play through The Lion Sleeps Tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We are one away. And at the end of the song, you can just downstrum and ring out on an F major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my play along video for The Lion Sleeps Tonight. And that's how you play The Lion Sleeps Tonight by the Tokens. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.